going to start the next group 17 elements of the P block elements. And all of you know group 17 elements are known as halogens. This group includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Here are the elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. The general configuration is NS2NP5. About their occurrence, fluorine and chlorine are abundant while bromine and iodine are less abundant. Fluorine is present mainly in the form of fluorides such as fluorspar, cryolite, and they are also found in small quantities in soil, river, water, plants and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater also contain chlorides, bromides and iodides. Now electronic configuration I have already told, NS2NP5. So here is the configuration of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. The valency is 1 because they require 1 electron to complete their shell. So all the halogens exhibit the -1 oxidation state, which is the common oxidation state, because to complete their shell they require 1 electron, except fluorine. Chlorine, bromine and iodine, they also show +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. It is due to electron unpairing here. In case of fluorine, d orbitals are not available, so only -1 state is shown there. But in case of other elements, the electrons unpair, they go to the higher d orbital. Now here you can see 3 unpaired electrons are available, so the state is +3. Here 5 are available, +5, and the most is 7, so +7. So except fluorine, other elements show +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states. All these elements, because they require 1 electron to complete their shell, they easily acquire that electron and they are strong oxidizing agents. But here one question comes in board examination. Chlorine has highest negative electron gain enthalpy as compared to fluorine. But when we talk about oxidizing nature, fluorine is the better oxidizing agent than chlorine. So why this is so? This is exception here. So this is so because fluorine, in case of fluorine, due to the repulsions between the electron, small size of fluorine, there is repulsion in electron and the bond dissociation enthalpy is very low. So this low requirement of energy compensates for the less negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine. Also it has high hydration energy. So these two energies compensates for the less negative electron gain enthalpy, and fluorine becomes the strongest oxidizing agent in this group. So here you can see fluorine is oxidizing this halide ion. This can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. When we are taking chlorine, it can be bromine, iodine and so on. When halogens react with metal, they give metal halides. So here is one example, Mg plus Br2 giving MgBr2. They are ionic in nature, but ionic nature increases down the group. The metal iodides are the most ionic nature and metal fluorides are the least ionic in nature. Now reaction with hydrogen. When halogens react with hydrogen, they form halides, hydrogen halides. So when we talk about hydrogen halides, we have to study this sequence of their increasing acidic strength. So HI, you can see here, HI is the most acidic in nature while HF is the least acidic. It is because the bond HI bond is weakest, so easily it breaks and H is available, so it becomes strongest acid. But if we want to write the bond dissociation energies, the sequence will become reverse. Now reaction with oxygen. So when halogens react with oxygen, they form oxides. Fluorine form mainly two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. Both of them are strong fluorinating agents. Chlorine, bromine and iodine, they form number of oxides because they can vary their oxidation state from +1 to +7. So these are the oxides of chlorine: Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6, Cl2O7. ClO2 is a bleaching agent here. You can see one use written here. Then fluorine Bromine also, it shows many oxides, Br2O, BrO2, BrO3. Iodine, I2O4, I2O5, I2O7. So these are the oxides. Lastly, when halogens react with other halogens, they form a group of compound called interhalogen compound, XX dash, XX-3, XX-5, XX-7 is also available. Always remember, X is the larger halogen and X dash is the smaller halogen. So that's all, children. In the next video, I will talk about the group